Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default font size in PowerPoint. First, open your presentation. Then, locate the View tab at the top of your screen. Click on it, and you will see an option called Slide Master. This special view allows you to make universal changes across all your slides, saving you a lot of time and effort. Once in Slide Master view, select the very first slide thumbnail on the left. This is your main slide master. Now, click on any text placeholder, like the title or body text. Go to the Home tab to change the font style and size. You can set different fonts and sizes for headings and body text, ensuring a consistent look throughout your entire presentation. After making your desired font changes, click Close Master View on the Slide Master tab. Next, go to the File tab and select Save As. It is crucial to save your presentation as a PowerPoint template, which has a .potx extension. Store this template in your Custom Office Templates folder to ensure it is easily accessible for future use. To make this your default for all new presentations, name the template blank when saving. Now, when you create a new presentation, your custom font settings will automatically apply. This ensures consistent branding, improves readability for your audience, and saves you countless hours of manual adjustments. It is a simple step for a big impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.